Good morning, students. Today we are making ninth class slogan, 3D slogan that is, and we are making just do it. So we are making just do it slogan. For it, we are making first of all lines. First 1 centimeter line make total 7 centimeter we are making starting from 0. 8th class has firstly also made this lines method. So I'm telling you how to make italic line. First of all, we are making 1 centimeter straight line that is straight 1 centimeter. After this, line make like this, like opposite N shape, and after this erase this side line and this side erase the straight line only. You have the italic line now. This is the italic way. It is 1 centimeter italic because 1 centimeter slanting line is this. So I hope you understood this line. Now make the cuttings of 1 centimeter each. For every word 0 to 4 centimeter you will make 1 2 3 4. 1 centimeter gap is there where I am making cross. So it's for J. Now making for U 1 2 3 4, then making cross. This is the space. After this 1 0 1 2 3 4, then cross, and then last words space JUST. For T making only 3 lines, 0 to 3, because T is small. Now start making that slanting lines. You can make downside also. Downside this same centimeter method also make, and then match the lines. If you have confusion, I am making it like downside also cuttings make this way and then match the lines. So I have made this boxes. First I am separating these boxes this way. This is for just, this is for do, this is for it, do it. Now just making for just, first of we are making J 0 1 2 3 4. First erase the crossing where made that line, so that you can separate the grids. Separate the grids. Okay, now you understood. Now for J, separate box, and first making J. J is very easy. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 6 7. Four, 5, 6, 7. So you will make up to 4 this line. First erase the shape for your not having confusion. Erase the box from shapes. Okay, J is ready. Now U making U is also very easy. Just erase the outer shapes space. U is also ready. I hope you understood. Now making S. S is also very easy. O like shape make first. After this, erase the corners. It's 1, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to 2 number there is cutting of this, and downside left side 1 centimeter cutting this way. Now this is center. E making this way shape is there, so like that way you are making in center curve lines. So this is your S ready. Okay, now T making. T is also very easy, you know that T is just having this and this line. T is ready. Now do before this it make it having T like this way, same method. If you erase extra lines and make some upper side boxes, it is also ready. I think you understood all. Now I'm erasing the boxes and extra line. So just it made. Now do left. For do, first of all, D making, there is space separating the two words. Now do making, just make right side curved line and then erase the T shape. Left side, right side, up side and down side, and then erase from center also. Just like O, we are making D. Don't make in center any curve line. That is your D also ready. Now O making. O is having just curve line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Center is just like D. First left and right, up and down erase. Now center space this way and then erase this space. Just do it, it is ready. Now I am telling you how to make shadow of it. So first of all, what do you do? You first of all make 1 centimeter line downside. First I am telling you it. For it, right side make 1 line. We made 1 line downside, 1 this side. Now we made this centimeter, 1 centimeter this is also 1 centimeter. All right side shadow also 1 centimeter. And downside also 1 centimeter. Like this also 1 centimeter. Just make a right angle lines. In this line, all having this angle line. All lines are this side, where I am making the action of the hand. This way your line will be there. First one line make, then on points start giving the action. That is 1 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter going straight line, and that is up to the line where it is finishing. That is there finishing, not full. And this is also there. This is T shade is separate and I shade is separate. So we have made the T shadow. After this, erase this line. Now we are making the do O shadow. First of all, make the straight line, then this line, and match a curve. We made this line curve, so this is also curve. From downside, it is downside curve like J, it is also downside curve like J. This is 1 centimeter line we made already, that you continue, and that line from this curve line match with this. It is looking like 3DO. I hope you understood this O also. But in this one more thing do, we made 1 centimeter right side, 1 centimeter right side. So there also make 1 centimeter right side, 1 centimeter corner. This is the corner. There also. This is inside part we are making, inside. So O is also ready. Now do making D, having just same method, just like O. It is just like O. It is 1 centimeter already. If it is touching only, it's 1 centimeter already. So O is also ready this way, and D is also ready this way. I hope you understood. Now I'm telling you just shading. First make the J. Start from J. 1 centimeter downside which line you are making at bottom. Don't forget make this line, and this line make light. After this line turn, and this line downside turn, and this line also turn like this. After this, you making this way, right side, and right side. This line is continue, and this side is curve with 1 centimeter continue line. Now this and this is shadow, this and this. Now we are making S. For S, what do you do? Start from center. Just like in E we are making, there make first cut this. This is with scale. Now these all angle lines. I told you this line is angle line. This line is angle line. So that way angle line make. One, it is like we are making, and this is for like full line of U this way. This angle line is coming down. This we are making like D. This one only 2 parts, and this is just like opposite J. We made in J this upside, so it's not looking upside. We made it down, so there is a looking downside part. So this also ready. In this we have to erase this one, all extra line. Downside, don't forget to erase. Downside all you have to erase the joining lines. Okay, now we are making the T shadow. T-shadow is very easy, just like eye we are making, just like eye. You made this T downside also, so it's not tough. Keep in mind every line make with scale, then you can make it properly, otherwise it will be not looking good. So this is the picture ready. 9th class topic it was. Just do it, make it and shade it and send it to me. Thanks.